Shares of Alibaba Group Holding Limited lost more than 6% on Friday in Hong Kong after the Chinese e-commerce giant fared less than expected in the fourth quarter as consumer spending in China slowed down. Alibaba said revenue in the 3 months ending March 31 rose 2% to 208.20 billion yuan, $30.12 billion, ending below analysts' expectations of 210.3 billion yuan, while direct sales in China that accounts for the most significant part of its revenue fell 1% in the quarter. Oil prices were unsteady on Monday as market players became wary over the outcome of talks between U.S. President Joe Biden and House Speaker Kevin McCarthy about the nation's debt ceiling. The U.S. West Texas Intermediate (WTI) crude futures shed 0.04% to $71.66 per barrel, and Brent crude futures were down 0.07% to $75.53 per barrel, having posted 2% gains last week, which ended 4 straight weeks of huge losses due to China's sluggish economy and risk of U.S. debt default. Japan's inflation-adjusted real wages declined to their lowest in 8 years in fiscal 2022, as the country's 3.8% inflation beat the nominal wage growth of 1.9% in the period, which was the fastest surge in 31 years. Labor Ministry data showed that real wages fell 1.8% in the last fiscal year ending March, the biggest annual slide since fiscal 2014, signaling the need for higher wages to surpass inflation and support consumers' purchasing power and private consumption that represent over half of Japan's economy. Shares of U.S. semiconductor giant Nvidia Corp gained 28% to hit a record high of $391.50 in after-hours trading on Wednesday after the company provided better-than-expected revenue guidance for the second quarter. California-based Nvidia expects second-quarter revenue within the range of $11 billion, plus or minus 2%, surpassing Wall Street's forecast of $7.13 billion by more than 50%. And stated that it is increasing supply to keep up with a more robust demand for its artificial intelligence (AI) chips. The U.S. dollar hit a 2-month high against major peers on Thursday as concerns over a possible debt default increase after Fitch Ratings Inc. put the country's AAA debt ratings on negative watch. The U.S. dollar index climbed 0.2% to $104.05 against a basket of 6 major currencies, its highest level since March 17, with fewer expectations for an interest rate cut from the Federal Reserve, providing additional support to the greenback.